No prison time for the former Colleton County Clerk of Court, Becky Hill. Hill pleading guilty this morning to 4 charges linked to the trial of convicted killer Alex Murdaugh. Ann Emerson from our sister station was in court this morning for that hearing and breaks down the details.
Another character in the Murdaugh murder saga faced justice today. Disgraced clerk Becky Hill pleaded guilty to these charges, but escaped some of the most serious allegations, including jury tampering, that could have put her behind bars for a lengthy prison sentence.
There is no excuse for my mistakes. I am ashamed of them, and I will carry that shame with me for the rest of my life.
As Colleton County's clerk of court, Becky Hill oversaw a 6-week-long Alex Murdaugh double murder trial. Not long after Murdaugh was convicted of killing his wife Maggie and son Paul, investigators turned their attention to Hill herself. She wrote a book about the Murdaugh trial and admitted using her position as clerk to promote that book. But the more serious crime was sharing crime scene photos at the courthouse after hours.
Ms. Hill provided multiple members of the media with unrestricted access to evidence from the Murdaugh trial, including those sealed exhibits.
Hill later lied under oath about showing those sealed exhibits to Chief Justice Jean Toll during a post-conviction hearing. The prosecutor assigned to the case, Solicitor Rick Hubbard, investigated accusations of jury tampering, something Murdaugh's defense attorneys believe, but Hill has always denied. In court, he said it appeared there's no evidence of that. Lucky for Hill, or the judge says this would have ended very differently for her.
So if his team, and I know both the lawyers on his team, and if they tell me at least they couldn't prove it, then that's enough for me.
Hill was sentenced to 3 years probation, community service, and is forced to pay back nearly $12,000 in restitution for county money that she used to pay herself bonuses. The next chapter in the Murdaugh saga begins in February 2026. That's when Alex Murdaugh is asking the South Carolina State Supreme Court to overturn his double murder conviction based partly on these jury tampering allegations. For WACH Fox News, I'm Ann Emerson in Calhoun County.